The ideal ratio of comfort, power, and technological innovation is provided by the 2026 Hummer Motorhome. The 2026 Hummer Motorhome radically redefines what it means to travel in style by combining the comfort of a full-size luxury home on wheels with the potent performance of the well-liked Hummer vehicle series. The Hummer EV served as the inspiration for the massive all-electric chassis that supports this innovative, elegant, and long-lasting leisure vehicle. The program under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, the 2026 Hummer Motorhome's triple electric motor layout generates an amazing 1,500 horsepower and 11,500 pound-feet of torque. This monstrosity has the following characteristics: all-wheel drive, AWD, with torque vectoring, crab walk mode for diagonal maneuvering in off-road area restrictions, a massive Ultium battery pack that can last up to 500 miles on a single charge, fast charging capability, 80% charge in 30 minutes using a 350 kilowatt DC fast charger, adaptive air suspension for comfortable rides on any terrain. This RV is very nimble for its size, which allows it to drive on highways, cross rivers, and climb steep hills. Satisfaction in the interior. As soon as you go in, you are greeted by a modern, sleek, mobile condominium constructed of high-quality materials. The layout has a living room with a 55-inch 4K smart TV that is connected to satellite and streaming services, a big lounge area with adjustable leather couches, smart LED ambient lighting, and a panoramic electrochromic roof that provides comfort both during the day and at night. The bedroom features a wardrobe, built-in lights for underbed storage, soundproof walls, automated blackout curtains, a queen-size memory foam bed, and smart climate controls. Among the features of the bathroom are: the bathroom features a modern sink with touch controls and a smart mirror, a vacuum flush toilet with a gray-black water management system, and a full-size walk-in shower with a rainfall system. The kitchenette has an induction stove, a convection microwave, a smart refrigerator with artificial intelligence cooling zones, a hidden sink with a filtered water system, and a tiny dining table that can accommodate 2 people. Voice-activated smart lighting, heating, and entertainment controls are among the features of this system. A 5G Wi-Fi hotspot for constant connectivity, solar panels on the roof, and a backup battery bank for power that is not supplied by the grid. This Hummer Motorhome is a technical paradise with its heads-up display, digital cockpit with off-road diagnostics, camera system that scans the entire vehicle from every angle, and parking assistance. Final thoughts. For travelers looking for unmatched comfort and performance, the 2026 Hummer Motorhome will be the ideal vehicle. This electric monster doesn't take any shortcuts, whether you're traveling full-time, camping in the mountains, or navigating deserts.